Folks, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into a topic that's near and dear to our hearts: the ability to think clearly, learn, and use information effectively. This involves critical thinking, creativity, and ongoing learning. You know, it's not just about watching a movie or a TV show. It's about the experience. It's about the story that keeps you on the edge of your seat, the adventure that stirs your soul, the special effects that leave you in awe, and the cinematic masterpiece that leaves you speechless. It's about the stunning visuals that take your breath away, the characters that make you laugh and cry, and the themes that resonate with you long after the credits roll. It's about the experience that transcends the screen and becomes a part of you. So let's embrace this ability together and continue to grow and learn through the power of storytelling. Thanks for joining us, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends.
Folks, welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the world of movies and TV shows. Today, we're going to talk about the quality of relationships with others. You know, it's not just about the stunning visuals, amazing special effects, or stirring adventure. It's also about the human connections we see on screen. The way characters communicate, empathize, and support each other is what truly makes a story timeless. So, let's appreciate the relationships in our favorite movies and TV shows. They add depth, emotion, and relatability to the story. They make us laugh, cry, and cheer for our favorite characters. They remind us that we're not alone, and that there's always someone out there who understands us. Thank you for joining us today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more engaging content.